Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Capital One app safely and remove access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your device and locating the Capital One app on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the Capital One app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or remove app from the menu. If prompted, confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Now, let's ensure that your access to the Capital One account is fully removed. Visit the Capital One website by opening a web browser on your device. Log into your Capital One account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Profile Settings section. Look for the option related to app access or linked devices. Select this option to view any connected applications or devices. Find the Capital One app in the list, if applicable, and choose to remove or unlink it. After unlinking, it's a good idea to log out of your account. Next, clear your browser history and cache for added security. On a mobile device, you can also check for any saved passwords associated with the app. If necessary, remove these saved passwords to ensure complete privacy. For added measures, consider changing your Capital One account password. This will secure your account against any unauthorized access. Finally, check your email or notifications for any security alerts from Capital One. This will help confirm that your account is secure after uninstalling the app. You have now safely uninstalled the Capital One app and removed all access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.